Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a object from a photo in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, to remove the object and leave a empty space in its place where the picture will be transparent, you can very easily use the lasso tool, zoom into the picture as much as you can, and once you zoom in, you just need to select it in as much detail as you can. I'll just do it roughly. However, you can do it in more detail if you would like. And once I select it, as you can see, it'll select the object. And if I press delete, whoops, the layer isn't selected. If I press delete, it'll delete the object from the picture. Now, what you can also do, instead of deleting it all outright and leaving it transparent, is you can fill it in with a content aware filter. If I go into edit and go into fill, and under fill, make sure that content aware is selected. You can just click OK, and it'll take into account the surroundings of the selected area, and it will create a sort of replacement texture in its place. Now, as you can see, even on a white background, it is still a bit blurry. For this, you can just use the spot healing brush tool, and let me just increase the size of it just to make my life easier. And once you just select and paint over all of the things that you want to fix, as you can see, once it's done, it should leave just a plain white background. Now, if you have a textured background, this will be pretty useful. However, you do need to do it in small increments or in small areas, one at a time, just to make sure that the textures that are repaired are the best possible. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.